Is this the iron stuff?
Yeah.
Shouldn't you be doing this inside?
Why would I do it inside? I'm gonna spray all this shit all over the garage?
No. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Blech.
Worked well on the wheels.
Yeah. Was there rust on the wheels?
You could tell the brake dust out. Well, the brakes are made out of iron.
Oh. Mike is turning our car purple. It's gonna look good when it's done though.
Yeah, I mean look how much shit was in the paint. Every purple spot is basically a piece of iron.
Mike said every purple spot is iron that was in our paint. Do it up here. It's a lot of purple. Iron is bad for paint, by the way. Since we're showing things, did I tell you my wall got fixed? I'm sure I did. I feel like I did. Yeah, there's a difference in paint color, like right here. But Mike says he wants to paint his room. Right, Deems? Right? I know, I was just outside in some water. So yeah, I mean, whoa, Deemy, trying to kill me. It's not, I mean, terribly noticeable. I mean, I can notice it more in person, but I mean, it's a dark corner anyway. Hi, hello, hello. Hi, hi. I'm about to go on a walk with my friend. But yeah, I think we lucked out since it's a corner wall because they don't make our paint anymore. I feel like new builds shouldn't be able to choose custom paint. I feel like they should have to use like bare or something that's not gonna get discontinued. Anyone else feel that way? Hi Deemy. Hello. Hi. Hi. So yeah, and that's Mike's room, and we can start putting it back together since we just had it everywhere. Hi Deemy. What you doing? I just vacuumed the stairs and Mike pulled something out. Oh, come here, Deemy. That has like all these fluffies. Like, man, I just vacuumed. Deemy, what are you doing? Mommy needs to go put some socks on so I can work out. Deemies. Deemy. Hi. Oh, sorry. Okay, come on. I know I put this in a vlog, but I am so happy to not have this on the ground. And I was speed cleaning when my friend texted me if I wanted to go on a walk. I cleaned out some stuff from down there. Like, this stuff is all super clean, vacuumed, and I was about to do the island when Mike's like, come watch me turn our car purple. So yeah, now I gotta stop with my cleaning and go on a walk because it's so nice out. So just got back from an impromptu walk. My cleaning my kitchen definitely didn't really happen. I only did like half my kitchen. So like my island's still a mess. The table's a mess. Like, let me show you. Like, so I have all those dishes. I still haven't cleaned it. Although the floors, that still has to be addressed. But like, I mean, that stuff over there. But like that is pretty much all clean. So just like the main, you're literally sitting on a flower like vase. So yeah, we walked 3.5 miles. I burned 300 calories. I'd say that's pretty good. But now I have no desire to finish cleaning. Although I think I'm gonna leave it in the vlog where I showed Mike cleaning the car and turning it purple, but I still have to do that. The floors are all swept. I have to wipe down this counter, the island counter and stuff. And then I have to clean the bathroom because I really want to clean that stuff. And I want to hang up the lights that have been in that corner for 4 months now. Yeah, I think 4 months. Maybe 5. So yeah, I wanted this main level to be clean. I need to put some laundry in. And then I'm going to shower and get ready for tonight because I'm a mess. I am terribly a mess. But it was funny, I posted on Insta stories, my like sticker one, since you guys watched my sticker one, for my outfit. I'll show you my outfit. I posted my outfit on like regular Instagram, but the Insta stories, I was like, you know, since I look like shit in all my vlogs, let's see if it'll focus. Let me hide behind it. I can't tell if it's focused or not. I don't think it is. Come on, just focus. That's all I need. We're gonna focus. Come on. So that's never gonna focus. Maybe I'll insert a picture if I remember. And I moved my camera way off to the side. So if you hear that, like, that's Mike washing the car still. He waxed and I don't know what he would be doing now. Probably cleaning the stuff off. Because you just waxed your car, so you're not supposed to wash it. So I was like, I want to show that I actually look like a decent person, even though in my vlogs, I don't. But that's okay. This is real life. This is what I look like 90% of the time. Although I'm like extraordinary. It was so hot. We're in February and it is 79 out where I live. So it's 80 degrees. And I am red. I mean, I'm always red, but like super red. Ugh. So I definitely have to finish some things up, but I'm tired now. So I need to edit some vlogs. Like I've been trying to so much, which I think I'm going to end up putting a vlog up today. Yeah, Mike just started his car. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it rumbles the house. Yeah, so maybe I'll edit some vlogs and finish cleaning like the island and just deal with like the kitchen table. But I feel like we're gonna end up inviting people over after dinner. So so I may clean that up anyway. And then we have Mike's monitor from work over there. I don't know. I wanted to sit here and not move. Demi jumped on the counter. He's like, what's going on? I hear a whiny thing and things are rumbling. I'm not allowed on the counter, but I'm gonna be on the counter anyway. Right, Demies? What you doing? What you doing? On that note, I'm gonna end that. On the rug, because it's over here. Oh, you got bad eye boogies. Demi. Because mommy had the windows open, didn't she? Didn't she? Sweet little boy. Little man. Right? You so handsome? Oh, did mommy wake you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me ask, does anyone else do this? I feel like I'm such a loser when I'm about to talk about this, but does anyone else self-destruct? So, like getting ready, going out tonight for my birthday, but all I can sit there and think about is blah. I feel blah. I'm just like, I felt like I had such a productive day, and right now I'm just feeling super terrible. I feel like, I don't know how to describe it, and I was talking to my friend on our walk that I need to have like a better attitude for 2018/29. I mean, I need to just figure this adult thing out. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I'm feeling crappy about my outfit, and yesterday I felt on fleek, and it's pretty much the same outfit. I'm just in a red top, like literally same outfit. And like super loose so I can eat, like no big deal. I tucked it in yesterday in the black one, but like I don't want to tuck it in today, although that might look cute. Maybe that'll help. Just doing like a front tuck, and then I'll feel less blah. See, it's still like, I don't know, guys. I'm just not feeling cute. Like, I don't know how to describe it. So, I don't know. That might work. But I feel like my hair looks better today than yesterday. Whoa, right up my nose. Sorry, guys. I was trying to just move it back and I end up hitting the camera. So I just need to stop self-destructing. Like, I've worked so hard in where I am, and it just feels like these past couple weeks, not even that I ate terrible today, but like, I'm just feeling, I'm throwing myself a pity party right now is really what I'm doing. Like, my nails are on fleek, which is funny. I think I said that yesterday in the vlog, or I think I said it on my Instagram, like, does it even matter unless your nails are on fleek? So it's not like my makeup looks terrible. I don't know, I'm just feeling, I also don't really like celebrating my birthday. I know that might be really weird. Like, back when I was 16, I told my friend what I was going to do for my 16th birthday. So this was like, think of when you're 16, school and like friends and everything is what matters, which doesn't matter, but like, it's what matters then. That I told my friend what I was gonna do, and her birthday was like a couple weeks before mine. Guess what she ended up doing? Exactly what I said I wanted to do, and I have almost refused to celebrate my birthday ever since. I know that's really melodramatic. I've celebrated my birthday maybe 3 times since my 16th birthday. Like, as in like a thing. Like, I think I celebrated 18, but even 18 I think was still like kind of more quiet. 21st, I don't think I really did much. And then maybe a couple, so maybe 4 or 5 times since my 16th birthday. And like right now, maybe I'm just having really bad anxiety because I have really high anxiety. So maybe I'm just having like a mini anxiety attack. Like it's really hot, but I don't feel like I am. Like I usually know when I feel my anxiety just rise. Well, I almost pulled that out, or I think I did. So I don't know. Does anyone else get that way? I feel like it's like woe is me right now. And I try not to like think about this stuff. Like I just try to get myself in a good mindset. Right, Louie? You wanna be in a good mindset with mom? Okay, I'm gonna stop before my cat knocks over the camera.